friends, welcome back to my channel. I am CSJAS. I hope you all are doing well and preparing for your June 2022 exams. Now I am here to tell you that I host free special live classes daily on Unacademy at 7 p.m. Firstly, these classes are totally free, which I'm being asked recently in so many comments that, are these classes free? Till when date they will be free, or these are the demo classes? No, these are the special live classes which are totally free. Secondly, the language in which I teach, so mostly I speak in English, but of course, if my students want, I do speak in Hindi also for their convenience. It is completely according to the convenience of the students. And third question, that whether I'm going to teach the whole of the JIGL and company law. So my answer is yes, I will be teaching whole syllabus of the company law and JIGL for June 2022 exams. So I hope I have cleared your query, and now I'm here to announce another two special live classes today and tomorrow, that is 24th and 25th January, sharp at 7 p.m. मेरी classes normally रोज ही at 7 p.m. होती है. There is very less variation, else I take two sessions, then I take at 5 p.m. and at 7 p.m. Otherwise 7 p.m. पे ही मेरी classes scheduled होती है. And we are studying the topic of share capital in company law. So today we will be studying the topic of alteration of share capital and buyback of securities. I don't have to explain how much important is the topic of buyback from the viewpoint of the exams. And tomorrow, that is on 25th, I'm going to take up the topic of reduction of share capital. In particularly the topic of reduction of share capital, there are a number of case laws, so you have to understand total variations in this topic. दोनों ही classes sharp at 7 p.m. पे होंगी. दोनों ही classes के class links आपको नीचे description box में मिल जाएंगे. Make sure you click on them and click notify me. And ये classes, despite of being free, 100% educational होती है, 100% informative होती है. We don't, waste our time in anything. Completely teach throughout the time. So I would highly request you that if you have not joined the session yet, आप एक बार session join करो and you will not regret. You will really love it. I don't only teach, I teach through the formulated slides, and alongside that I also conduct polls. That is a kind of question answer in which I interact with students. कोई भी doubt होता है, I solve it then and there. अगर आपने अभी तक भी एक बार भी क्लास ज्वाइन नहीं की, तो इट्स माई रिक्वेस्ट, एक बार आप क्लास ज्वाइन करो. ट्रस्ट मी, यू विल ज्वाइन इट डेली. सो लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू ऑल ऑफ यू ज्वाइनिंग माई क्लासेस टुडे एंड टुमारो. Other than that, Unacademy पे CSET के लिए and CS Executive के लिए batches हैं. Take the subscription. The batch links are also given in the description box below. Make sure you click on them and get subscription. If you get subscription, then make sure that you use my code to get flat 10% discount, and you will also get an opportunity to have a one-on-one video call with me. A mentorship call. So looking forward to all of you joining my classes today and tomorrow. For availing it free, use my code CSJAS. Bye.